UMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ulemukele ithimba lezempilo elivela eCuba. Ongoti bezempilo kulindeleke ukuthi batshalwe ezifundazweni ezehlukene ukuze belekelele ekulweni nesifo iCovid-19.
iCuba izwe lisesiqingini solwandle iCaribbean. Leli izwe likholelwa kakhulu ekutheni umnotho kumele ube sezandleni zabantu kanti liyilungu le-9 Allied Movement. Lelizwe lalinsunywe yimelika iminyaka engama-50 yonke nokwakuhloswe ngakho ukuthi kuketulwe umbuso wayewumholi uFidel Castro. Enkonzweni yomngcwabo wabe ngumengameli wezwe Nelson Mandela kwaba khona inhlansi ethemba lokuthi imelika kanye neCuba kungenzeka bathelelana amanzi. Ukuxhawulana kukaRaul Castro kanye noBarack Obama kwaba ukuqala kwemigudu yokubuyisana. Kodwa ke kwathi uma ngabe umengameli uDonald Trump ethatha intambo zombuso ubudlelwane balamazwe abuzange busaba buhle. Kodwa ke iningizimu Afrika yaqhubeka nokuzama ukuqinisa ubudlelwane balamazwe. Iningi lababengabaholi beANC laqhubeka nokuvakashela iCuba nokuwumkhubo waqala ukwenziwa uFidel Castro kanye noNelson Mandela.
Cuba has offered the African continent generally a contingent of 3,500 doctors who would come and assist with regard to dealing with the health challenges on the continent. We support that program.
Cuba played a very critical role in Africa, but more in particular in Southern Africa just before our liberation.
Iningi lentsha yakulelizwe liqeqeshelwe ukuba odokotela eCuba kanti ukutheleka kwethimba lezempilo laseCuba kuyabuqinisa ubudlelwano.
My spirits were lifted last night when I heard that 219 Cuban health workers had landed in our country. This follows the request I made to the president of Cuba when the coronavirus was beginning to rear its head in our country, and I asked the Cuban government to send us their specialists. And indeed, they have lived up to that.
Umnyango wezempilo kulindeleke ukuthi ucacise kabanzi ngokujujwa kwaleli thimba ekuhambeni kwesikhathi.